Hi guys, welcome back again. It's another Thursday, guys, a turban tutorial. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Hadidi Makeovers. So we are going to be starting off with this beautiful turban tutorial. Okay, so look at my raw silk. It's a 2.5 yard, and I'm going to be styling Binta. Her name is Fatima Binta. So we're going to be tying her hair tie today. This hair tie, though she had henna on her hand, so if you see her acting somehow, there's henna on her hand and it's not dry yet. So I asked her to please sit down so that I can do tutorial for you guys. Okay, so we started off by placing the hair tie from the back of her head. Then I'm going to pleat like 6 pleats, and yeah, just watch. So guys, after I'm done tying this part of the turban, I'm going to be asking her to hold on to the gilly, to the rawsilk. So as you can see, her henna is not yet dry, and we are just struggling with it. It was already late. If you can see my face, I'm super tired. I was exhausted, but you know, keeping up with consistency and all, I had to just go ahead and do the video. So I'm going to be pleating the other side too, the same way I pleated this other part, 6 pleats. And I'll be asking her to hold on to it too, so that it doesn't fall off. The reason why we are not holding on to this part of the turban, it was actually difficult for me to tie, but because of her henna, so I don't want her to stain the turban and all. And as you can see, I'm just going to pleat the other side, 6 pleats too, and ask her to press it down. So this hair tie that we were tying like this, as you can see, I was struggling to tell her to hold on to it. We've tied it like 3 times already and it was still falling down, so we just had to improvise and ask her still to just hold on to the gilly like that. I was exhausted, guys, so don't mind my face. So this is me after tying the other part of the turban. I brought out the first one I did from the back and then twisted it with the recent one I just pleated. Then I'll just sweep it off on each. I'll just take each to the opposite sides. Yeah, she's telling me now about her henna. So basically, after twisting, I'll just take it to the back and then tie it in a knot at the back of the hair tie. So don't worry about seeing the back of the hair tie. I just simply tied it at the back, like just one knot like that, so that it stays tight, because I want the front of the turban to look very flat. So I'm just going to hold on to that. This hair tie was actually kind of difficult for me because of the way her hands she was not holding on to the turban for me. So after I'm done with that, as you can see, I'm just going to raise up the side of the turban like this and tuck this one in. Then I'll bring the other part of it, make sure I arrange it properly. And yeah, guys, this turban will fit someone with a very slim face, or somebody who is kind of, let me say, even though you have full face, but the hair must have this full hair ruffle or something like that. We're actually rushing to tie this turban that I couldn't wait to just fill up the hair or tie something under so that the hair will look a little bit puffier or fuller. That's the English I want to say. So I just simply tied the turban like that. But when you have something, your hair ruffle, or let me say a turban inside, and I was actually going for that longer type of turban that looks flat, but it's going to be longer at the back of the head. That was what I was going for, but I don't know what happened. But you can still tie your own and push it to the back. And yeah, that was what I was going for, but I think what happened was the back of her head tie, what she was putting as hair ruffle, it's not really giving me what I wanted, so I just did it like that. So just imagine this turban looking longer than the way it was, like the way it is now. You see how longer and finer it's going to look when you finish tying the head tie. I really wanna stay, I don't really wanna go, but I really need to know, can we get it together? Oh, get it together, get it together. Listen. My body is your body, baby. Nobody's invited but you, baby. Tell me what you want, baby. Put your phone down, you should turn it off. 'Cause tonight is going down, tell your boys it's going down. So guys, this is it. Finally, I'm just going to do the finishing touches, and this is what I was telling you guys about. I'm supposed to like press it down so that it will look longer. Then this other part I'm just pulling up, it's supposed to be staying very flat. As you can see, I'm just trying to emphasize on how flat the head tie is supposed to be from the front. So I'm going to use a pin to secure that. Then I'll tuck in the back of the head tie properly so that it doesn't show well. So imagine her having this head tie very longer than the way it looks now. It's going to look very cute and super fine, even if you're wearing a boo-boo or jalabia or something like that. So see how cute this head tie is looking. So guys, this is it for today. I love you guys so much. I'll see you on my next one. Bye.